It's by 6 o'clock in the morning that that freezing rain event really gets underway. Um, for the Ottawa Valley and the Montreal area, as well as areas further north along the St. Lawrence Valley as well. And so, what we're expecting for that is prolonged freezing rain. Um, could last up to 24 hours. And so when we go along the slide, we'll see the morning commute will be impacted at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Surfaces could already be slippery by then. And then throughout the day, with those northeasterly winds, we'll have cold air being funneled through the St. Lawrence Valley, maintaining temperatures below zero, especially for the North Shore. For the North Shore of the St. Lawrence, as well as the Ottawa Valley. So that's where we expect those temperatures to remain below zero. Um, and then the precipitation to fall mostly as freezing rain throughout this event. So we can see by the afternoon hours, um, we could have some southerly winds east of the Vallée du Richelieu, the Richelieu Valley, bringing some temperatures slightly above zero for areas in Estrie and southeastern Quebec, and that's where precipitation could switch over to rain for those areas. But there is some uncertainty, and with these type of freezing rain events, a couple degrees makes a big difference. So that's more or less what we're monitoring in terms of temperatures for those sectors east of Montreal, south and east of Montreal. In this image, we can see precipitation falling in the green colors as rain. The Ottawa Valley, that's where temperatures could potentially just creep above zero, or at least be very close to zero, and limit those accretion rates starting late tomorrow evening, but we're still dealing with a long duration freezing rain event for Eastern Ontario and for the Montreal area. What type of impacts are we expecting for this freezing rain event? So that orange zone sectors in Ottawa, along the Ottawa Valley and southern Quebec. Well, we're looking at once again at 20 to 30 millimeters of freezing rain, long duration event, and therefore the impacts could be quite high. We're expecting transportation delays, um, possible uh, possible delays in transportation, cancellations. Obviously, when we're talking about a long duration freezing rain event, there is a risk for power outages. And so what we'd recommend to folks is obviously to stay up to date with our warnings, but also follow advice from local officials, plan ahead. This is an event that will last over 24 hours. And so people will have to avoid essential travel if at all possible tomorrow. Um, but also just follow those guidelines from local health officials as well.